Action.
Action?
Yes. Gia, the fighting action star.
So,
And get those bad guys. There's a bad guy behind you. Yeah, no, not that. Not the bad guy is not my couch. Oh, a little close to the TV there. Alright, what is the combo? Punch, punch, duck, duck?
yep, that's how
Let's
it's
see. Good job.
You know what they are, really?
What?
Balloons. They're pop-up balloons.
Cool.
So, looks like I'm punching a guy, but I really am. And, but guess what?
What?
There's sound effects.
Okay, what are the
But
sound
I'm
effects?
really punching them. In the scene, this is the sound. Go!
Okay, that's good. And cut.